shut the fuck up!
Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go faster, 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 faster! Sonic's number one!
Shut up!
You gotta look out for number one.
Sonic's number one! Sonic!
6 hours later.
Please, 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 please! Please, 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 please!
20 minutes later.
Please, 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 please!
Can we stay?
Fine. But only because I
Look like a bitch?
You dig?
Ta-da!
Yeah!
We did it!
Really, nigga? Want to do something foolish? You ass.
A few moments later.
There it is.
And baby, you can turn me on. Baby,
You thinking what I'm thinking? Bingers! Break!
Alfred Hedgehog finds the turns and twists. When it's serious, mysterious, you can't resist. Detecting clues, but Dave.
Oh, no! It's okay. It's just a small stain. We can fix this.
What it takes to throw down on Shaolin Showdown, the show where bros compete to show how well they know their bro. Shaolin Showdown will be taping at the Village Center this weekend.
how's that gonna help us? Stupid TV.
Don't miss your chance to win a brand new couch.
Still don't get it.
Yes, you heard right. A brand new couch.
Still don't get it.
Shaolin.
I can't believe how many people showed up to this audition.
Out of the way. Move it or lose it. Total bitch coming through.
Man, what are you doing here?
No, nothing. Just auditioning with my bot. Ain't that right? Faggot.
Yes, sir. It would seem I'm your...
Mega faggot.
All right, who's next? Too old? Too ugly? Too...
Gay! No!
I'm just not getting enough of a bro vibe.
Sonic, you forgot your ass!
Can it, head?
Nope, nothing.
I guess you're right.
But I thought this was gonna be a Sonic and
Knuckles.
episode. Yeah, well, life's full of disappointments.
Knuckles.
No way he'll know this. It's Crocto, 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 Crocto.
Seriously, Dave?
I thought you loved nature.
We don't like to put labels on our relationship.
Thank you.
Hey, you gotta know your enemy, especially when he's your enemy.
Eventually.
Well, that's a disqualification.
Gay!
Well, round one. That ends round one. Knuckles and Mike.
You're about eliminated.
Oh, I know this one. It's gotta be
Knowledge.
He's right.
Pizzazz!
Come on, Sonic, play ball.
We're talking about practice, man.
I guess you're right.
We can accept that answer.
We're not even talking about the game, the actual game, when it matters. We're talking about practice.
I myself.
I changed my answer to
The hedgehog.
Ooh, son Amy. Spicy.
Okay, all of this footwork put in, she got me hurting. I hate that my patience yay thin. Damn it, I know I'm not perfect. Damn it, I know I'm not. I don't say much and I blow a lot. I don't know much about decay, y'all. No, I don't know shit, I just grow a lot. Please do not pitch me no favors. What am I rocking? Uncheckable flavor.